Hello everyone, welcome to TechPakistani. Today we are going to learn about underline option in Word. So let's start. First of all, we will create a new Word file. Okay, so I have Office 2019 installed. Let's type some random text. We'll copy and paste. So I have a plenty of text in here. So we assume that this part of paragraph should be underlined. Here, this is the underline option in Word. We can also press Ctrl plus U or click here. As you can see, this will be underlined. Now we have plenty of options for underline. Click here, like double underline. You can see the line will keep on changing from here. Double underline, bold, dotted, dashed, striped. Okay, so we have more underlines like okay. So as we can see, this is the underline we should choose. Now I have one more thing to discuss about underline option. We can use this, select this and control plus U underline, control plus U underlined. We can also underline this space area. As you can see, we can also change the color of underline, like I will choose brown underline. You can see underline color is now brown. This is not the size of underline, please keep in mind. Underline color, underline style. These are other options we will discuss in other videos. So let's revise. It's simple, very easy. The text you want to underline, select that, press this button or control plus U. Or if you want, now you should write an underline, then click on an empty space, press on U, now keep on writing. Thank you for watching.